You guys, Angel here. So excited about today's video. Today I want to share with you guys different ways that you can work with your clients. Oftentimes we think that we need these big robust systems when we're just coming in, and sometimes your budget or your business may not be making any money right now in order to incorporate those bigger systems into your business. So I want to share with you guys some easy ways that you guys can launch courses and teach classes a very economically effective way for those of you guys who are just getting started. So the number one way that you can effectively meet with your clients or teach a class or launch a class or launch a course is through conference calls. If you guys have been connected to me for any amount of time, you know I am the conference call queen. I love using conference calls to host my classes, my courses, even my higher ticket items are done via conference call. So don't be afraid to use a conference call to teach your classes or to launch a course. The next way to effectively meet with your clients is through email. I have been a part of an email coaching program before, meaning if you have a program that you have pre-set up, on the back end, you can roll that out. After you enroll the people into the program, you can roll that course out to them via email. You don't even have to talk to them live because it's all pre-set up content that you're going to send out to them. And you can do this in levels. So if someone wants to join that particular program that you're launching via email, you can have another level that people can work with you one-on-one while they're doing it. So you can have a part or a level where people go through it just email for your self-starters, the people that don't need that coach that's with them all the time. They just need the instructions and they're going to get to work. And then you have your other group of people that will want the instructions but will also want that hands-on touch with you. So that's another way to effectively meet with your clients and or launch a class or a course. And the other most cost-effective way to launch a course, a class, or work with your clients is via Facebook group. You guys can open up a private Facebook group. And when you market this class, you let people know that it's going to be taught via Facebook group. I've done this so many times. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Okay. I have done this so many times. People have paid to come into a course with me, and the actual course was taught inside of the Facebook group. And I just went live. It was actually, the last one that I did was called the 12 Days of Christmas. Some of you guys may have took that course, and we were all inside of a private Facebook group. And so every single day I taught a class. It was the 12 Days of Christmas. And I taught a class live inside of that Facebook group. There was nothing that I had to pay on the back end. I already have a Facebook group, and the people that joined the course, the only requirement is that they have a Facebook group as well. And you can launch your class or your course inside of that Facebook group. And Facebook has made it so sophisticated now inside of groups that you can create little files and things that people can it'll check off for them once they're done. So that's another cost-effective way to launch a class, a course, or work with your clients. And the last and final tip that I have for you guys today is just like you would do at launch of Facebook group, you can do it via Instagram too. I've done this. I taught a class called How to Write a Workbook in a Weekend. I believe that's the class, How to Create a Workbook in a Weekend. Well, the only thing that I did was I opened up another Instagram account, and the people that paid to come into that course, I gave them access, and then I went live on that on that Instagram account, and I taught them how to create a workbook in a weekend. You guys, it's really that simple. It's not really the how-tos anymore. Would you guys agree? It's not really the how-tos anymore. Like, how do I teach a class? How do I launch a course? How do I become a life coach? All of that information is so right at our fingertips today. I think it's more so your confidence and your courage. There may be some of you guys who still don't know how, and so that's why I'm going to keep delivering content like this for you guys. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you let me know what you were able to take away from this video today, and make sure that you guys are connected to me on Instagram. I started my Instagram account back over, so I'm having a lot of fun over there, meeting new people and reconnecting with people that I was connected to before. I hope this video served you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.